So I was scrolling Facebook Market the other day and I came across this ad for escargot, and usually I just try the food on there. So I went to go buy some, but it turns out all of these snails were live. I think they just collect it from the pond/river in Oahu. So today I'm gonna be cooking some Hawaiian snails. No, it's okay. I just got a whole bag of snails from Facebook Market. I bought these because I thought they were cooked, but it turns out I gotta cook it myself. I'm not mad about that at all because I had some recipes I wanted to try. Oh my god, these stink really bad. Obviously gonna wash them. Gotta take out the dead ones. I also think all the floating ones are dead. I'm gonna wash them really well because I don't want that stinky flavor in it. See the little leg exploring. It's the next day and the snails are all over the place. I'm worried that some of them escaped somewhere. I'm about to cook my snails. I just finished at the gym, so I'm super sweaty. But we better hit the store, grab some last minute ingredients, and make Chinese style black bean snails. All right, we at H Mart. This has been 4 days that I've been purging the snails, cleaning out the water. It smells like sewage water. All right, trigger warning. I'm about to salt these snails. 3, 2, 1. This final step is supposed to make them spit out all of the dirty stuff. The water's getting really cloudy now. All these floating ones are dead, so we're gonna skim them. We're gonna add some ginger. A lot of this ginger is gonna help it not stink. This is pork and vegetable oil. Onions. Natural sweetness. Got some leeks. Szechuan chili flakes. I got some palm sugar. A little bit of MSG. Black bean garlic sauce.
I get paid one of the mangoes. Well, I get
And some water. First, I'm gonna put in the 2 crabs that I bought earlier. Crabs in first, because they'll most likely take the longest to cook. We're having no room to move anything. I'm gonna just throw a lid on. Clean squid that I got. I just wanted to add a little different variance in texture. Cut these into rings, and we're gonna throw these in to cook as well. I still gotta make my dipping sauce. Pretty high heat, a little bit more of the oil. I'm just gonna blister these over the wok. All-purpose flour. And we're just gonna make a roux. Here's some Nook Mama made. Lots of this as the base. This also has fish sauce and sugar in it, so that's gonna add a good base. Long green chili, 4 Thai green chilies. MSG, apple cider vinegar. Here we are, black beans, snails, crab, and Ika. I do not have a dining room table, so we will be eating right here. Peppers are kind of spicy. Here's the Ika. This one's pretty tender. We're gonna try to fish one of these out. Hold up. I'm gonna have to use a flosser to get it out. Oh, there we go. It's kind of freaking me out. You know, in this sauce, the snails don't really absorb the flavor, but the sauce is good. So let's try it with the dipping sauce. Yeah, that one's good. Let's get into the crab. Look at all the crab roe. This is the most delicious part. Some of the black bean sauce inside. That's so good. Even though they smelled really stinky, this has a very clean flavor. One's really saucy. Wait, can I just suck these out? Cannot. Holy moly. This one I gotta eat with the sauce. I forgot about the crab meat. Most of the meat in the blue crab is inside the body. So that's why I got the ones without legs, because there's no way I'm picking all the meat out the legs. Soup and a snail. I worked hard for this one single bite. I can't even lie, that was a pretty hard project and very tedious. The black bean sauce came out really good. What else came out really good was the dipping sauce. Eating snails is supposed to be like a drunk food, a drinking food that they do in Vietnam. But right now, I am sober from alcohol. And I don't have a dining table to sit and pick all the snails out. So ramen was the next best thing. I can't lie, I definitely did not pick out every single snail, but I did pick out a good majority of them. And my last snail